Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Vibhu Prasad Swain, founder and chairman of Kaligya Youth International Foundation. At the very outset, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to you for being so kind to invite me to be a part of this very historic event, International Conference on India and Southeast Asia, commemorating and reviving the maritime trade, civilization and cultural linkages. Honorable dignitaries who are all present here, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, I'm not prepared for the speech because I was not assigned a role initially. So at the very last moment, Mr. Swain had requested me to deliver a speech. And I am a man who never says no. And I feel that I should not reject, I should not deny in such a very important forum. So I have intended to deliberate briefly on a very important topic, that is education, which we all believe it's one of the major factors of socio-economic development globally. So the topic which I'm going to deliberate is on a free and compulsory qualitative education, a key to overall sustainable developments. Indeed, I'm very fortunate to associate myself with this historical event, Pavilion International Conference, as an invited special guest, come international speaker representing my own host country, the Republic of India. Keeping in mind the importance of free and compulsory qualitative education as one of the key factors towards social and economic developments, unlike many other basic human needs and rights. I would therefore like to choose and speak on a particular topic concerning free and compulsory qualitative education, a key to overall sustainable development. As I truly believe that proper accessibility by every concerned individual to a free and compulsory qualitative education will definitely serve as a key partner in achieving an overall 100% sustainable development globally. This topic may perhaps be considered to be so vital among other core social and economic global issues that had been included in the total 17 important sustainable development goals as propagated by the Indian nation's development agenda for the year 2016-2030, with a key reference of transforming our world, a country and a South Asian country. The agenda for sustainable development, categorized as Sustainable Development Goals number 4, under the subheading Ensure Inclusive and Equitable Quality Education and Promote Lifelong Learning Opportunities for All, offering the best and maximum opportunity to every individual's accessibility to the most potential benefit of a free and compulsory qualitative education could be in itself the greatest fulfillment of a partly human rights and the greatest milestones towards achieving the true and meaningful social and economic sustainable developments. However, in views of